Hello, and welcome to another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is answering an email I got from a data governance manager who said that now that there's a data governance manager in place, they were expected by everybody in their organization to sort of do data quality rules and reporting. And they sent me a message to ask whether that was correct. And the easy answer to that is no, that's not correct. Just because your company has set up a data governance or a data quality team doesn't mean that that one person or that team knows everything about all the data of your whole organization and that you can do data quality reporting, because that's unreasonable. So this is what data governance gives us, is the roles and responsibilities, helping the business understand that they are accountable for that data. And it's only the people who use that data on a day-to-day basis who understand what makes it fit for purpose. So when it comes to data quality rules and data quality reporting, as far as I'm concerned, I think your role as a data governance manager is to go to the business data owners, the data stewards, and get them to tell you what the rules should be. Now, this will include going to the data consumers and getting their requirements if the consumer is not the data steward or the data owner for that data. Once we understand what their business requirements are, then it may well be somebody on your team, maybe a data quality analyst, that will convert those business requirements into data quality checks that can be run against the data. And they're still not off the hook, because once we produce reports, those reports are based on exceptions against those rules that we now have. Those exceptions shouldn't just be being looked at by a central team. They need to go back to the data stewards. They need to go back to the people who use that data so they're aware, perhaps where the data may not be good enough for them to do their task. And what we need to do is to have a process whereby people not only fix the exceptions, but we try and identify and fix the underlying cause of this. We do not want to be propagating any activities which result in tactical, regular fixes. We want to be using data quality reporting to identify where perhaps there's broken processes or perhaps bugs in systems. Perhaps it's just training that hasn't been given to users. So it's really important that this doesn't sit just on one team. Hopefully, from what I've just talked through, you can understand that this is about getting business users involved in the process, getting them to understand that they have to articulate what makes their data good enough, but they also have to review when it doesn't meet the requirements. So I do hope you found that useful. And if you have, please help me and my mission to help as many people as possible be successful as data governance by liking, commenting, sharing this video on your choice of social media. And if you've got a question that you'd like me to answer in a future video, just email it in to questions@nicolaaskham.com.